Some basic maintenance on a Flymo EasiLife 150, 250, I think they do a 350 robotic lawnmower. I'm going to do some blade sharpening. First of all, make sure your lawnmower is switched off. Carefully lay him on his back. I've done one of the blades already here, but we'll get one of the other ones off and I can show you how blunt they are. So you need a PZ2 screwdriver. It can be a bit stiff. There you go. Unscrew the screw holding the blade on. And they're just like little razor blades. And as you can see, the blade is blunt as anything. There's no edge to it at all. I use a multi-tool. I think this one's a Spear & Jackson. Other brands are available. Sharpening tool. Holding the blade carefully, using your sharpening tool, run it up and down the edge about 10 to 12 times or so until the edge starts to come back. This is quite a handy way of saving yourself a few blades during the grass cutting season. You can see that edge is now starting to come back. Do the same on the other side. So you've got a nice edge come back. As you can see, we've now got a nice edge. And then place the blade back on the lawnmower. Get your screw, put your screw back in. Tighten your screw up. I just tighten it up to sort of hand tight, two finger tight, and then make sure the blade can spin freely. And job's a good one. And that'll save you buying a few blades throughout the season. Maybe you can do this 2 or 3 times and then replace them, but it's a handy way of doing it, and I do it sort of every 4 to 5 weeks, maybe a little bit longer, depending on how wet the grass or damp the grass has been during the cutting season.